How to check Mouse DPI in Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So the first thing you can do is go to your manufacturer website and then click on the search bar and then search for the mouse that you're using. Scroll down to specs and details and you'll see the DPI mentioned here, and you'll see the minimal and maximal value as well. So this method might not work for the lesser known mouse. So what you can do is go to your mouse settings. So go to your search bar and type mouse settings. Click on additional mouse options. Make sure you're on this pointer options tab, and then right now enhance pointer precision is ticked on, so make sure to untick this. And then mark a 1-inch distance on your mouse pad, and then come to mousesensitivity.com, and then make sure you're on this DPI analyzer tab. So there are the instructions mentioned here. You can read through this if you want. So in target distance, type 1, and the units, click on inches. Make sure the axis is X plus. So once you do that, scroll down to the scale part. Now place your mouse at the 0 point of the measuring tape on the mouse pad and make sure the cursor is at this red part right here on the scale. Now while pressing the left click, move your mouse 1 inch as you have marked it on your mouse pad earlier. So you'll see your actual DPI. So repeat this from 3 times and then average the result. So this is how to check mouse DPI in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.